Welcome back, and let us now see how to create ribbon chart in Power BI Desktop. Ribbon chart and Sankey chart are somehow similar. What I mean to say is that field area and the shape of ribbon chart is similar to Sankey chart. Now I will take blank ribbon chart from visualization pane area. You can see in second row you have the last option, which is the ribbon chart. So I will click on this ribbon chart and you can see a blank ribbon chart has been created in my canvas. Now I will drag some of the field items into visualization, the area. So what I will do is that I will take first of all the order date into axis. I want order date on my x-axis, so I will pick order date from field and I will that put into my axis area. Now I want in values, I want sales, so we have values in sales, and in legend I will take region. Now before that, you can see before putting legend, because you have to put legend in this ribbon chart. So you can see here, this is a simple column chart if you are putting just axis and sales, and you can see clearly that in 2019, in year 2019, the sales was maximum, where 2017 was the year where sales has been the lowest. Now I will take region into legend area, and as soon as you will enter region into legend area, you can see this is your ribbon chart. So if you are seeing first time ribbon chart, then this might be a little complicated for you. So let me just make these things simple, because that will avoid any confusion. So let us first talk about the color. Now here, when you were in 2016, you can see we have 4 different color. So different color is representing different region. For example, purple is west, similarly the blue, deep blue is east. You have last central as this color, I mean somehow green, and the orange color is representing south region. Now you can see every year the sequence of color is not the same. So what is happening is that let's stick to 2016. You can see that in 2016 on top we have purple color. That means this purple is representing west. So what happens in ribbon chart is that the color which is at top, that is the first rank. Basically this is the ranking wise chart. So we can say that in terms of sales, the best region, which is purple in color, was having the highest sales in 2016 out of all the different regions. But when you go to 2017, the same west region which was having highest sales in 2016 has now come down at second position, and now in 2017 the first rank is taken by east region. So the highest sales has been seen in east region in 2017, and you can see there is the sales value as well. You can see in east region the sales value is 156,332, and here you can see the sales value is decreasing as you go down. Same is the case again if you go back to 2019, then you can see again the west region has bounced back and they are at top in terms of sales in 2019, and you can see the south region is at last position in 2019. So every year whichever region sales was highest, that you will see at top, and similarly you will see the next values of sales as you go down. So this is simple to understand if you will just remember that this chart is on the basis of ranking in terms of any category that we have selected. In this case we have sales as value, so on the basis of sales different regions has been ranked, highest being at top and the region performing worst in terms of sales is at the bottom. You can try for different formatting options as per your requirement. So this is all on ribbon chart. Thank you so much for watching this video.